Tonight we are going to take one attempt at the car sale and then we're going to move on for now and work on the job page for the admins to be able to add jobs. We'll have low class, middle class, high class. Then we will set up job pays and a payment timer. Not sure if we'll get to all that tonight, but that's the goal. So we will go ahead and get started. Here we are at the sale vehicles in the inventory under owned vehicles. Inside the repeating group, sell vehicle. We're going to see if this will fix it. We're going to change this to our current users, current civilians vehicles. So that will be owner's vehicle sale percent equals current sales I think this just needs to be cost. I think this needs to just be cost, because I don't think these exist. Wait, what is, yeah, owner's cost. Minus current sell vehicles. And then this will be I think this might work. Alright, let's try it. $50,000. Actually, I don't think we have any in our inventory, so we're gonna dealership, we're gonna buy one. Go to our inventory. Pretty sure this should give us 47,500. It's not giving us shit. What if I tried to put this all in one? I cannot paste that. Current sale vehicles cost. Minus current users, current civilians, vehicles, title owner percent. And what if this was changed to okay, that doesn't exist. We don't need that there. Cash equals result of step 3's title owner percent plus current users, current civilians, cash. We'll delete that. See if this works. Cross your fingers. No shit. Alright, I'll have to really actually look at this one. I've just been kind of busy thinking of how to do the other stuff. So we are going to turn this off. We're going to go to the admin page. And I've tested this already, so I have already added job datas. So we will go to that really quickly. You're going to want to do have job. It is going to be a yes or a no, and set it as no. You're going to add job description. It's going to be a text. Job pay, it's going to be a number. Job type, it's going to be a text. That's going to be like the name of your job. Job type label actually needs to be changed to job class label. And it's going to be a text. Then you're going to have life high class. It's going to be a yes or no. Life low class. That's going to be yes or no. Life middle class. That's going to be a yes or a no. And those, I just put life in front of them just so they'd stay together. Other than that, it's low class, middle class, and high class jobs. That's how we're going to classify, how to break down the jobs. My job description, that's going to be a text. That's going to be for like when you're looking for a job. My job label, that's going to be a text. My job pay, that's going to be a number. And my job type, that's going to be a text. This is going to be, my job label is going to be changed to my job class. But we will go ahead and get started. Other than that, I deleted everything I tested, so nothing else has changed. But we will quickly go ahead and click on Group Add Car. Then we will right click on it. We're going to copy special, copy with workflows. Then we're going to turn this off. We're going to left click on Group Add Items page. And then we are going to right click on it. We're going to paste with workflows. Then we are going to change the name of this to add job. We're going to go turn off group civilian here. Now we can see this page. We're going to change the name of this from add car to add job. We're going to go through and do that first. Change all the names. Add job. Text make is going to be job. This drop down is going to be changed to add job. We can erase all of this out of it. We can do low class, middle class, and high class. Make sure it's not empty. We will click on model here. This will be changed to name. We'll click on this input below model. We're actually going to go change the name of model to name, job name. We're going to change the name of the input to admin add job name. Cost is going to be pay. Does payment fit? No. We could do like wage or something, but we'll just do pay. Input admin car costs will be job pay. We're going to change image to job description. And we're just keeping it extremely simple because some people might get confused if we did like employment description, job type, like we saved in our data job type, that's the name. If we did like wage or something, salary instead of pay. We're going to go ahead and delete this picture. But we are going to scroll down over here to container or input forms and do a multi-line input. We're going to scroll up, click add job. We're going to add an input. We're going to move that above our alert and our button to, we're going to change the name of text image because that's what this was, to job description. Now we will click back on our multi-line input and we will change it to job description. We will put it in place. Our text description's probably got, it's got a -30 on the bottom. Put that to 0. There we go. And then bring it up right below the line. Now we will check our sizes here. 278. We'll make this 278. We'll move it over to the left. I think we're 15 off this side. Yeah, 15, 15. And then we will change our button to add job. We are going to create 3 of these buttons, so we will put a condition on this. The condition will be when admin add job, drop down admin add job. So click on your button. Under condition, define a condition when drop down admin add job value is low class. This element is visible. Then you go ahead and copy that, click between these 2 lines, right click, copy condition, then click down here by the button, right click, paste condition. And what you're going to do is change is to is not, and you're going to make it not visible. And now this low class needs to be spelled exactly like it's spelled in the drop down. Capital L, it needs to have this space, capital C. So we're going to just copy this one while we're here. Control C. We're going to come down here. We're going to make this not visible, collapse when hidden. And we're actually going to set this up first. Change it to add job. And we will edit workflow. Now, because we set this up for low class, we have to create a low class job. We'll delete all these because these are from when it was a vehicle page. We'll change it to create. Here, I'll delete it and just start over. We got our button sound. We will go to data, create new thing, create jobs, and we are going to do job class label. This will be, you go ahead, click it, and then erase it so you can type. And this will be low class. Make sure to spell it exactly like it is in that drop down. We will do job name, which is job type. This equals input admin add job name value. We will do job description. That will be input, or no, that'll be a multi-line input. Multi-line input job description value, job payment, equals input add job pays value. And I think that is all. Class name, pay description. So now that we have that, we'll change the name of this to add low class job. Now we will right click on that button, copy it with workflows. We'll hide it, and we will right click in our group, or we'll just paste it here. Paste with workflows, and I just pasted it there so just in case you messed up and you have a group over top of this group, it'll still go into this group. And then we'll grab that, move it up to here. Like say if these were backwards, I think when I click on stuff, let me just select this. Like if I click on stuff, I think, oh no, it still worked. But I am going to move that back. Alright, back to what we were doing. Our copied button of the low class jobs. We're going to change the name to middle class. Now our condition, we're going to just change low class to that copied middle class from our drop down. Control V, middle class. We copied this from this drop down right here. Needs to be spelled exactly like it is here. Control C. We're in copy high class. We're going to go back and change this to this one is done, but we do have to grab this step 3, move it in front of this, and to create this you just click here. I'll delete this one. element actions, go to reset inputs. And all that does is erase all these to nothing. Like it erases what you had typed in, so you don't have to create one job, then go up here, erase it. You'll just have to reselect this, type a new name, type pay, type description. So but that's it for this job. So we will copy with workflows. We'll turn it off. We will click add job, right click add job, paste with workflows. We're going to move this up. We're going to change the name to high class job. We copied it, so Control V. Change our condition to Control V. Control V. We're going to change those to high class. And that's going to make this button show or not show depending whether low, middle, or high class job is selected here. And we're going to change this to high class. And this is just so we will be able to search what type of job category we're looking for, so we won't just get a clusterfuck of jobs. We'll be able to actually kind of associate our pays into categories. So, but it's gonna keep that reset. We can actually change this alert to job has been added to the employment list. Now we'll hide that. We will actually go to this button. We're going to add it here first. Element actions, show message. We're going to move this over. And there's our alert. We're gonna right click on this alert. We're gonna copy it, and now we're gonna go set it up on our other two buttons, and then switch our low class job. You will probably have to add it because I forgot to show you how to add it on that one. But here's our middle class job button. We're gonna right click here, click paste. That'll show our alert when this is added. We'll hide this one, show our low class. This one will switch and you'll have to create. So I'll just delete this. I'll show you how to create it again real quick. Click here, element actions, reset inputs. It's under input, reset inputs. Then right click, paste to show your alert. That should be it for adding of the jobs. I think we will go ahead and stop with that, and in our next video we will create the job search page and the job payment button, just so we can keep this video to 30 minutes. Alright, thanks for watching.